Hi, all. I'm Suhail KK, working as a lead software engineer and having 7 years of experience in Android development. Welcome back to Kotlin tutorial. So in this session today we will be discussing about how to set up environment to run Kotlin program. In this tutorial we will be covering this theoretical session along with the program exercises. To run the program exercises, you need to set up your development environment to run Kotlin programs. So we will be starting this session. You know that the Kotlin program is interoperable with the Java, which means that you can compile and run Kotlin programs using JDK and JRE. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit and JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. So first you need to install JDK. So if you write Kotlin program, then that need to be compiled using JDK. So the compiled output is bytecode. So you know Java code also, if we compile Java code, the output is the Java bytecode. So that bytecode can be run in Java runtime environment, JRE in platform independently. So the same concept is using under the hood. The Kotlin programs are converted into compiled into bytecode and then in turn is run using Java runtime environment. So you need to install what JDK first. So I will demonstrate how to install JDK. So I am going to my browser. Then you need to go to oracle.com java this oracle.com here. So in this site oracle, this is a java software edition. The version is 8, jdk 8 you can install. So if you go down, Java SC development kit 8 U202, then we have different version for different OS version like Linux, for Mac OS or Windows OS. So I am using Windows OS, and if you are using Windows OS, you can download. If it is a 64-bit, you can download this one, JDK for 64. If your operating system is 32-bit, then you can download this one. Similarly, if you are using Linux, then you can use this one. And so based on your operating system, you can download corresponding file. So I am downloading this one, jdk 80 window x.exe. Okay, so I reviewed the accept and condition, then download jdk. I started downloading JDK. Okay, you will get one downloaded file .jdk file. Once you download, I will show you this one. Then downloads. So you can JDK this one 8. I previously downloaded JDK 18. So once your download completed, you can double click over this executable file. Then it will come like this. Okay, then do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? If you press yes, it will start downloading. So this software has already been installed on your computer. Would you like to reinstall it? In my case, it is already installed. That is what is showing. So for demonstration purpose, I will press yes. Okay, then it will come to this window. Welcome to installation wizard. Then this wizard will guide you through the installation process for Java. Okay, Java SC development kit. Go next. Then the install. Okay, by default it will be installed in this path. Okay, it will be in this path. C program files Java. Then the file jdk 1.8.1 folder. Your JDK will be installed. If you want to change, you can change over here. Then press next. It is going. It is extracting and it will take some time. Okay, so it is successfully installed. Java C development kit successfully installed. Click next step to access tutorial API. So now it is successfully installed. Then you can close this. Okay, so the first step you have completed this one. Okay, this completed, like you have installed JDK from the site. Then after that, once you you installed JDK, then you can compile your Kotlin and Java application. So to run this application, you need JRE, Java Runtime Edition environment. For this, you have the same site. You can just provide a complete runtime support for Java and Kotlin application. So I am going to browser Oracle site again. Here you can see that this is Java runtime environment. Previously we have downloaded Java development kit, that is JDK. Now we will be downloading this one, runtime environment. Then I am downloading this Windows 64 Java, this .exe, and download this one. Okay, accept this one, and you can download this one here. Okay, you need to account and all. So once you downloaded, the next step, you don't want to worry, you can easily download by pressing next, that you will get downloaded. Okay, so once it is downloaded, your environment is, you can compile and run Kotlin and Java application. So next step will be, once you download JDK, you need to write your program. You need one IDE to write your code. So for that, as you know, the Kotlin was developed by JetBrains. Okay, JetBrains is one of the company who developed Android Studio, that is IDE for Android development. And also for Java we are using Intellij IDE, also one of the great IDE. So for Kotlin programming we are using Intellij IDEA. So to develop Kotlin, you need to download and install Intellij IDEA. So install recent version of Intellij IDEA from this site. So now I am going to this site, Intellij IDEA site, www.jetbrains.com. Then downloads, you can see over here, downloads Intellij IDEA. There is a different version, ultimate version, community version. So we'll be downloading this community version. So if you press download the executable file, so file is executable, then you can download over here. If you press download, it will get downloaded. So the file will start to download, this one. Okay, so it will take some time. So I have already installed that one, so we will be going to this one. Okay, show in folder, it is already there in my folder. So I will press. Okay, once the executable is downloaded, then you need to double click on this, so it will start. Okay, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Then you can press yes. Then it will start this window. Then start installation step. Then you can say that destination folder, it will be program file. JetBrains is the default. I will select, I am selecting default. So you need to record this much space, 2.4 GB and 4.7 GB space is required to install Intellij IDE. Then okay, I have this much space in my system. Then I need to press next. Then what, create a desktop shortcut. I will select this one. I need to create associated Java and .kt. So I am pressing this next, then install. So it is going to install. Okay, it may take some time to install. Okay, we will wait. Okay, before that I am explaining. So if If your JDK is installed, then you can confirm whether the Java JDK is installed or not. Then go to program file, see your program file. Then you can go to Java. Java, you can see that JDK, your version will be there. If it is 8, JDK 8 point, like your version will be there. So if you install both JDK and JRE, the corresponding folder will be there over here. So you can confirm this in this way, or from the command prompt you can check Java minus version. Okay, if it is installed, it will show the version of installed Java. Okay, Java version you can see. Okay, then completing Intellij IDEA community edition setup, it is finished. So run Intellij IDEA, I am checking this one and finished. So successfully we have installed Intellij IDEA. So it is started. So I am starting with I am testing whether it is working or not. I am creating a new project. I'm creating new project. So project name is test project. Okay, test project. The location Kotlin workspace. Okay, I'm changing Kotlin workspace. Okay, here test project. I will create test project. Okay, test project. Okay, in this folder I'm okay. Java SDK, which version? You can mention like language, which language you need to use IntelliJ. Then create your project. So I have created a sample project. So it is preparing. IntelliJ is preparing my project, sample project. Okay, good. Everything is okay, fine. Yes, tip of the day. So every day you will get this kind of tips. You can read this and you can make use of this tips and shortcut. You can increase your the typing speed. You can use so many shortcuts. It's a powerful IDE. So you can make use of these tips, and you can improve your coding velocity. Okay, now it is one project is created. I'm testing whether it is able to run. Okay, for that you can, in the Kotlin package, you can press new, then Kotlin class or file, you can press click on Kotlin class or file. Then I am creating one file. Okay, test file. I'm naming this file as test file. So press file, then it is created. The file test file dot it is created. Then I am creating one sample application. I am creating main function, so it is suggesting. So I am printing println. It will suggest println. Okay, this is my first project. This is my first project. Okay, then run. Okay, if you want to run, you can press run. Okay, what you want to run test file.kt. This is the file name, test file.kt. So I'm running this. Okay, it is going on compiling. This compilation is going on. So okay, this is my this compiled successfully and it is run. Okay, this is my first project. So this is my project. So successfully you completed. So we are able to compile and run our application, which means that we have successfully completed the installation. We have installed JDK, we have installed JRE, and also installed Intellij IDEA, and it is working fine. Okay, so it is working perfectly. So that is all about this session. Okay, hope you will try this. Okay, please set up in your device. Okay, install JDK, JRE, and install Intellij IDEA. In the next section we will be starting our tutorial regarding the basics. The basic, it will be starting from variable, class, function, etc. So in the next session we will be moving into the Kotlin programming language concepts. So be prepared with your device so that we can do exercise. Thank you for watching. Thank you all.